Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the notes of classic social science history chapter number 4, ancient civilization. If you want the notes of other lessons you can check the playlist of my channel, and for further notes you can subscribe to my channel. First, the Egyptian civilization. First main, fill in the blanks. Number 1, Egyptian civilization was born on the banks of the river Nile. The pharaoh who built a big pyramid at Giza was Khufu. Egypt is the first civilization of the ancient world. The statue with the body of a lion and the head of a man is called Sphinx. Second main, answer the following questions in a sentence. Number 1, which is the longest river in the world? Answer, River Nile. Number 2, why Egypt is called as Gift of Nile? Answer, Egypt is called Gift of Nile because if the river Nile had not flowed through Egypt, it would have been a desert. Number 3, who is Pharaoh? Name some of the pharaohs. Answer, the kings of Egypt were called pharaohs. Menes, Khufu, Amenhotep and Thomas were prominent pharaohs. Question number 4, what does mummy mean? Answer, the preserved dead body of Egyptians were called mummy. Question number 5, which is the script of ancient Egyptian? Answer, hieroglyphics. Next is the Mesopotamian civilization. First, fill in the blanks. Assurbanipal built a library in Nineveh. Sumerians wrote in cuneiform script. Hammurabi was the first king to enforce codes of laws. Second main, answer the following questions in a sentence. Number 1, which were river banks on which Mesopotamia flourished? Answer, Tigris and Euphrates. Question number 2, which were the tribes that ruled Mesopotamia? Answer, Sumerians, Babylonians, Hittites, Assyrians and Neo-Babylonians. Question number 3, which are the city-states of Mesopotamia? Answer, Ur, Kish and Lagash were the important city-states. Question number 4, write a short note on Hammurabi. Answer, Hammurabi was the most famous king among Babylonians. He was the architect of the famous code of laws which were based on ideas like an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Question number 5, who created the hanging gardens in Babylonia? Answer, Nebuchadnezzar, the great king among Chaldean tribe of Babylonia. Question number 6, what is ziggurat? Answer, ziggurat are high raised temples of Babylonia. Question number 7, name the epic of Mesopotamians. Answer, the epic of Mesopotamia is Gilgamesh. Next, Chinese civilization. First main, fill in the blanks with appropriate word. Number 1, the trade route between China and Rome was known as the Silk Route. Chinese wrote in pictographic script. Second main, answer the following in a sentence. Number 1, on which river bank did Chinese civilization evolve? Answer, Yangtze and Hwang Ho. Question number 2, name the dynasties that ruled China. Answer, Shang, Zhou, Xin, Han, Sung dynasties. Question number 3, who built the Great Wall of China and why? Answer, King Shi Huan Ti, the great king of Qin dynasty, built the Great Wall of China. Question number 4, write a short note on the king Wu Ti. Answer, King Wu Ti was the famous king of Han dynasty. He established a vast empire. He gave very much importance to foreign trade. There was great demand for Chinese silk in Rome, so he formed a trade route between China and Rome, which became famous as the Silk Route. He encouraged literature. His reign is known as Golden Age in Chinese history. Question number 5, list the contribution of Chinese to the ancient world. Answer, the contributions of Chinese to ancient world are wood printing press, porcelain, tea, silk paper made of bamboo, explosive painting brush, porcelain and mariner's compass. Question number 6, name the philosophers of China. Answer, Lao, Tzu and Confucius. Next, Greek civilization. First main, answer the following in a sentence. Question number 1, which are the different tribes of Greek? Answer, Aeolians, Ionians and the Dorians. Question number 2. Which are the city-states in Greek? Answer: Athens and Sparta. Question number 3. Write short notes on Athens. Answer: Athens was an ideal city-state of Greece. It was governed by a democratic government. Slesthenes, who overthrew the kingship of Athens, was instrumental in forming the base of democracy about 2500 years ago. The reign of Pericles in Athens is known as Golden Period for science in Athens. Pericles called Athens as the school of Hellas. He encouraged art, literature, and philosophy, which reached their pinnacle during his reign. The Temple of Athena in Athens was built by Pericles. It is a best example of Greek architecture. Question number 4. Name the great historians of Greek. Answer: Herodotus, the father of history, and Thucydides. Question number 5. Name the work of Homer. Answer: Homer, a blind poet, wrote 2 epics, the Iliad and the Odyssey. Question number 6. Who is the father of medicine? Answer: Hippocrates is known as the father of medicine. Second main, match the following from list A to list B. Here on the left side, list A is there, on the right side list B is there, and the answer for that is here. Next, Roman civilization. First, answer the following questions in a sentence. Question number 1. Who are the ancestors of Rome? Answer: Romus and Remus. Question number 2. Name all the persons for the first triumvirate. Answer: Pompey, Crassus, and Julius Caesar formed the first triumvirate. Question number 3. Which were the places of importance during the reign of Julius Caesar? Answer: Rome and Egypt. Question number 4. Write a short note on Augustus Caesar. Answer: Augustus Caesar was formerly called Octavius. Augustus Caesar formed the second triumvirate along with Mark Antony and Lepidus. In the beginning, Augustus Caesar shared power with Mark Antony by banishing Lepidus. Later, he also defeated Mark Antony. Augustus became the most powerful man in the Roman Empire. He was instrumental in introducing many social reforms, and his reign in Rome was very peaceful and hence known as Roman peace. Hence, Rome progressed economic and culturally. His reign is known as Golden Age of Rome. Question number 5. Name the great poets of Roman civilization. Answer: Virgil, who wrote the epic Aeneid, and Ovid were the great poets of Rome. 6. Name the philosophers of Rome. Answer: Cato, Cicero, and Seneca were the famous philosophers of Rome. Question number 7. List the contributions of Romans. Answer: Ancient Romans had a deep knowledge in science and mathematics. The Encyclopedia Natural History was compiled by Pliny. Galen was the famous surgeon. Strabo and Ptolemy were famous geologists. The Roman law laid the basic foundation for the world's future laws. Even today, Latin words are being used in science, law, and other branches of knowledge. Julius Caesar recorded history. The Colosseum and amphitheater in Rome are great architectural structures. The Julian calendar is still all over the world, still used in all over the world. Discuss in groups and answer the following question. Question number 1. The achievements of Augustus Caesar. Answer: Augustus Caesar was formerly called Octavius. Augustus Caesar formed the second triumvirate along with Mark Antony and Lepidus. In the beginning, Augustus Caesar shared power with Mark Antony by banishing Lepidus. Later, he also defeated Mark Antony. Augustus became the most powerful man in the Roman Empire. He was instrumental in introducing many social reforms, and his reign in Rome was very peaceful and hence known as Roman peace. Hence, Rome progressed economic and culturally. His reign is known as the Golden Age of Rome. Question number 2. List the contribution of Romans. Answer: Ancient Romans had a deep knowledge in science and mathematics. The Encyclopedia Natural History was compiled by Pliny. Galen was the famous surgeon. Strabo and Ptolemy were famous geologists. The Roman law laid the basic foundation for the world's future laws. Even today, Latin words are being used in science, law, and other branches of knowledge. Julius Caesar recorded history. The Colosseum and amphitheater in Rome are great architectural structure. The Julian calendar is still used all over the world. Third main, match the item in list A with those of list B. On the left side, list A is there. On the right side, list B is there. You need to match it. So I hope in one video this much is enough. Next Harappa civilization is there. Continuation of this video I'm going to upload in next session. So if you want the other lessons videos, as I have told you, kindly check out my channel. Thanks for watching.